NNG's live virtual UX training is here to help you grow your skills, thrive in your role, and meet the challenges of our ever-evolving industry. In UX, we get a lot thrown at us, and there's a lot of bad UX advice out there. Our mission is to bridge the gap between theory and practice, propelling you into the next level of your career.
Anytime I've needed to upskill or build my confidence in a particular UX skill set, there's been an NNG course along the way that has helped me kind of with that process.
One of the hardest things about UX is actually applying it, and just watching a presentation isn't very helpful. Our courses are a combination of research-based guidance, collaborative exercises to help you absorb content, and Q&A fueled by you. You'll have the opportunity to interact directly with expert instructors and fellow UXers around the world, while actively building the critical thinking skills required to adapt new learnings back in your context and with your users.
This is a tailored experience. We were asked to think about our own problems and our own information gaps that we were experiencing at our companies. Not only was it just hands-on practice, but it was actually something where it got my wheels turning on something that I needed to do at work anyway. And so in that way, it felt extremely productive.
Our courses aren't just surface level. They're rigorous, structured, and based on empirical research. Earn recognition and showcase your expertise with our UX certification program. Thousands of professionals have used NNG's UX certification to master new UX skills and make the next jump in their career. Knowing we have course attendees from around the world, we've prioritized flexibility. We offer monthly courses in various time zones and in half or full day formats.
Having that flexibility where I can take 1 or 2 courses in a week and still continue and advance myself, but not be away from the work that I need to, is huge. It would be a hard sell otherwise.
Walk away with sound knowledge, increased confidence, and a course resource folder, empowering you to apply your newfound skills right away. If you're looking to take your UX career to the next level, attend one of our UX Live courses. We promise you'll leave feeling ready to make more informed design and research decisions that save you time and your team money.
It becomes really easy for me to validate because it's helped me. I'm sure if it helped me, it's going to help you. So that's why it's easy to share.